In this video, we'll show you how to use our unsorted barcode artwork generator. First, log in to your royalmail.com account. You'll need to enter the email address you provided when you requested the new barcodes, followed by your password. The barcode artwork generator can be found here in your profile page. We'll now generate the barcode artwork. Choose the postage service you would like to use. Then select which language you would like to use for your design. Now choose the image format. Select EPS if you're having your envelopes produced by a professional printer or mailing house, or PNG if you're producing the envelopes yourself. You can now preview the artwork by selecting here. Finally, read and agree to our terms and conditions and select Download Artwork. It's important you don't resize the artwork, as this could make it unreadable by our machines. And that's it. You're now ready to start posting using your new barcode. For more information, visit royalmail.com/barcode savings.